How y'all doing today? Hey, it's Price. I just wanted to bring a real quick video. I've got to change a filter here on my truck, and I thought I would share it with you guys to maybe help you out. Something you can do yourself, or something you may not have even thought of. So it's a little bit windy out here, and there's a little bit of background noise, but we're gonna do the best we can with what we got to work on, and we'll go from there. So let me turn this around and we'll get started. All right, that's the power steering reservoir right here, right there. Under this is a filter. Looks like that. Looks just like an oil filter, kinda. So I took it apart and stuff, and then realized that I was not recording. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do here. We're gonna pull that band clamp back. We're gonna pull that hose back. Put it up out of the way. This has a locking situation on it. This tab right here with a little catch. You just have to push in on it and turn. Just like that. This cap comes off. And there's your filter. Right there. And that filter just screws on to this situation right here. So I'm gonna turn this off and unscrew that right quick, and I'll get right back. Alright, you see I got them separated. It just screws in there. And it was just hand tight basically. I did it with my hand, so it wasn't very tight or anything like that. Alright, let me put this down and get the other filter out, and we'll get going with it. Alright, I got the new filter screwed on. One thing I did notice on the new filter is you can see that there's a bit of a lip right here. On the new filter, that lip isn't there, it's just dipped down. But it's screwed on and sealed on there really good and everything like that. So we're gonna slide him back in there. We're gonna get the cap put back on there. Make sure that you keep this in line where it needs to be as you tighten this down. So I'm gonna put this down and I'll get right back to you. Alright, so I got it all back together. Just gonna wipe it up a little bit, kind of get some of this off of here. I'm gonna be spraying this off. I'm gonna be spraying this off in a minute anyway with some Zep degreaser. Just want to get as much of this off of there as I can right now. That quick. Took me all of 5 minutes, maybe. Alright, so I just wanted to share that real quick with you. Like I said, I just wanted to bring this to you and show you that's something else that you can do to save you a little bit of money and a little bit of time going to a shop. Maybe something you hadn't even thought about. So you can get those filters at whatever kind of truck you got at the dealership, and just change it out. So this is Price, and y'all be cool. Have a good one. Keep on trucking. Be safe out there. Put the cell phone down. I got to go.